In today's video, I will walk you through how to blend two images in Canva. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Once you are inside Canva, create a new presentation so we have a blank canvas to work with. After the presentation opens, go to the Elements section on the left side. Then, open Shapes and look for the basic shapes. Select the circle shape and place it onto the canvas. Click on the circle so the toolbar appears at the top. Open the color option and change the circle color to black. After that, resize the circle until it looks large enough for your design, then position it in the center of the page. Next, go to the text section and add your text onto the canvas. Once the text appears, change the text color to black so it matches the circle. Then open the font menu and choose any font style you want to use for the design. Increase the font size and position the text over the circle like this. After that, open the Effects option and select Outline. Change the outline color to white, then increase the outline thickness until the text stands out clearly against the shape. Once your layout is finished, download this page as a PNG file. You can do that by clicking the Share button at the top right, then choosing Download and selecting PNG as the file type. After downloading the image, return to the canvas and select everything currently on the page. Delete all of it so we can prepare the workspace for the image blending effect. Now upload the image you want to use in the blend. Then add another image that will act as the background. You can upload your own files from your computer, or you can go to Elements and search for photos inside Canva. Choose the background image you want and place it onto the canvas. Next, go to the Apps section inside Canva and search for Blend Image. Open the app to start combining the two images together. Click on the first image and set it as the bottom layer. Then click Use Selected Image. After that, click on the second image and set it as the top layer. Click Use Selected Image again. Now open the Blend Mode options and scroll until you find Screen. Select the Screen Blend Mode to create the effect. After that, click Adjust Top Layer. You can now move the image around and scale it until the blend looks the way you want. Take your time adjusting the placement so both images work well together. Once you are happy with the result, click Add to Design. Resize the final blended image and position it on the canvas. And that is the finished result for blending two images in Canva. I hope this tutorial helped you create the effect you wanted, and I will see you in the next video.